Welcome back to my channel, friends. Hi friends, I'm Amit Sengupta and I'm a communication expert and communication specialist with more than 15 years of experience working in international organizations in India and abroad. Through this channel, I'm trying to help you learn and overcome the fear of spoken English, improve your English vocabulary, everyday English tips. So stay tuned, follow this channel, subscribe to my channel and do watch the rest of the videos from my English speaking playlist. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video and then pick up these amazing English words which will help you enhance and improve your communicative English to the next level. So let's start the video. The first word is elaborate. It means explaining something in detail. Mitigate. Mitigate. It means to reduce the risk of something. Mitigate the risk of something. Alleviate. 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 It means to ease something, to ease off something, to make something easier, smoothen something. Aggravate. Aggravate means to worsen something, to make something really bad. Elicit. Elicit. Draw out. Draw out. Elicit a response from the audience. The Prime Minister tried to elicit a response from the audience. Engender. Engender. To create something, to cause, to create something, to create a situation, to cause a situation to happen. Engender. Exacerbate. Exacerbate. It means to make something worse. Quite similar to aggravate. It means to make worse a situation, a context, or anything in general. Facilitate. Facilitate. Make it easier. Make it happen through a process, through your help, through your support, through your assistance. Facilitate. We tried to facilitate their visas for their foreign tour. The travel agent tried to facilitate their visas for their foreign tour. Implement. This is rather easy. Implement, to put into effect. Implement the new rules and regulations of safety and security in a factory. Anticipate. Anticipate, to expect something to happen in advance. I am anticipating a wet monsoon in the period of pujas. I'm anticipating a busy festive season ahead. Persevere. This is one of my favorite words. Persevere. Perseverance means to keep continuing what you are doing at without the fear of setback or without the fear of failure. So keep going at it without any difficulties. Try to overcome the fear of setback. Keep pushing. That is what is meant by persevere. Repudiate. To reject something. Reject something. The chairman repudiated the plans for the factory's expansion due to monetary loss of the company. Retract. Take back. Take it back. Retract. The chairman retracted the statement issued in the public due to a huge public outcry. To take back something which you have already issued. Take back. The company retracted the products after a fault was found in the products. Scrutinize. To examine and monitor very closely. The invigilator in the exam hall was scrutinizing each and every question paper during the examination. Terminate. It means to end something. Terminate a contract, terminate a lease. The government will terminate the lease of the market. The government will terminate the lease of the market once the contract comes to an end. Validate. Validate means to confirm something, to reassure something, to confirm. The university tried to validate the submissions of the applications from the students. Exemplify. To illustrate. Exemplify means to illustrate with some examples, with some demonstrations. To showcase. Accentuate. Another one of my most favorite English words. Accentuate. To highlight something, to make it noticeable, make it prominent, to shine the spotlight on something. To accentuate. Absolutely beautiful word. I really like the word and I have always used this word in different contexts and situations, so do try and use the word as well. This dress will accentuate the bride's beauty during the wedding. So there you go, friends. I hope you found this video useful. Try and use these advanced English words in your everyday English speaking practice. enhance your English vocabulary, your communicative English, and take your English to the next level. Overcome your fear of spoken English through my channel. Follow and do subscribe to my channel, and do watch other videos from the English speaking playlist which are up there on my channel. I'm sure you'll find all of these videos useful. There are also a ton of shorts which are up there on my shorts tab on my channel, so do go and watch the shorts as well if you have a paucity of time. On that note, friends, I take your leave with the promise to come back again with yet another exciting and informative video on my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep practicing your English for better English fluency.